Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with mayonnaise and fruit cocktail. First, cook 1 pound of elbow macaroni according to package directions, then rinse with cold water and cool completely. Next, gather your dressing ingredients: 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Don't forget to drain 1 15-ounce can of fruit cocktail, saving 2 tablespoons of the juice for later. Now let's create that delicious dressing. In a large mixing bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise, a half cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Whisk these ingredients together until they are smooth and fully incorporated. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of reserved fruit cocktail juice. This little addition really enhances the flavor, giving it a subtle sweetness and tang. Keep stirring until everything is perfectly blended. With your dressing ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the cooled elbow macaroni to the large bowl with your creamy dressing. Gently fold the macaroni into the dressing, making sure each piece is coated. Next, add the drained fruit cocktail. Be careful not to mash the fruit. Mix everything carefully until all the ingredients are evenly distributed throughout the salad. This ensures every bite is perfectly balanced. Almost there. Once your macaroni salad is assembled, cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate it for at least 2 hours. This chilling time is crucial as it allows all those wonderful flavors to meld together, making the salad even more delicious. A longer chill, even overnight, can make a big difference. When you're ready, give it a final stir and serve. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make life easier, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.